Are your Facebook ads are failing? You are spending money but not getting results. You are not alone. Many people base their budget on ads that simply don't convert. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the 7 common mistakes of Facebook ads failing and exactly how you can fix them. So make sure to watch till the end because our mistake number 7 is the most budget waster. Let's start. One of the biggest mistakes that advertisers made is selecting the wrong objective. Facebook offers different ad objectives like traffic, engagement, conversion, and leads. So if you choose the wrong objective, Facebook will optimize your ad for the wrong action. For example, if you want to sell your product and you select the objective traffic, so Facebook will show your ad to the people who are mostly like to click, not to convert. Now how you can fix it? Define your main goal before running ads. Ask yourself, do you want to sales? Select the objective conversions. Do you want engagement, likes, followers? Select the objective engagement. Do you want to get leads? Select the objective leads conversion. Or if you want to get the app installments, so select the objective app installment. Choosing the right objective means Facebook will show your ad to the right people, which will increase your success rate. Even if your ad performs very well at first, running the same ad for too long will cause ad fatigue. When people see the same ad for many times, they stop paying attention. This reduces engagement and increase your cost per result, which will definitely waste your budget. You can fix it by refreshing your ads, like changing ad creatives, changing ad copy, and changing the ad CTA. Use Facebook frequency metric to see how often the same people see your ad. If your frequency rate is 3+, consider refreshing your ad. Even a small change in your background color, text, or image can make your ad refreshing and interesting. Many advertisers don't control their budget properly. Some of them spend very less and expect huge results, but others burn through the money but don't optimize their ads. You can fix it by set a realistic budget based on your industry. Track performance daily and adjust based on the results. Your budget is an investment. Spend wisely and track performance. Many advertisers think super narrow targeting means better results, but in reality, over targeting can limit your reach. If your audience is too small, your ad won't get enough impressions. And if your audience is too broad, you waste money on unqualified leads. You can fix it by start broad and refine based on the performance. Use lookalike audience to find people similar to your best customers. Test different audience sizes. Don't go too niche like men who are ages 25 and 26 who like coffee and live on the street of the California. No, keep it balanced like men age 20 to 35, interest in coffee, travel and business, this kind of targeting. Don't restrict Facebook algorithms too much. Give it a space to find the right audience for you. Many people change too many things at once while testing their ads. If an ad is performing bad, they change the headline, the image, the CTA and the target all at once. The problem, they don't know which change actually make a difference. You can fix it by running A/B testing and change one thing at once. Test different ad creatives, different headlines, different CTAs, and monitor results carefully before making changes. One small change at a time gives you clear data on what really improves. Many people set their ads and they forget. They waste their money on underperforming campaigns. If you want to fix these mistakes, monitor key metrics every day. Monitor click-through rate, monitor conversion rate, monitor ROS. That means, are you really making money from ads? Use Facebook Pixel to track conversions and retargeting the visitors. Facebook ads have a learning phase. If you change your ad too soon, the algorithm does not get enough time to optimize. Many people get panicked and turn off their ads after 24 hours if they don't see sales, while others change targeting daily and they confuse the Facebook system. Let your ad run for 3 to 5 days before making any major change. If your performance is low, adjust gradually. Don't pause ads soon. And here you have it, the top 7 mistakes of Facebook ads failing and exactly how you can fix that. Which mistake have you made before? Let me know in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.